Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Arhad Ahmed, and I'm a student of Russia University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you that how we can consolidate data. Now, one question may arise that what is data consolidation? You know that data consolidation is a collection and integration of data from many sources into a single destination. So let's see how we can make a data consolidation by using the Microsoft Excel. Here you can see that I click two brands or two unit, that means Rangpur unit and Rashri unit of a same company, and I want to consolidate these two unit data in a new destination. So first of all, I have to take a new sheet. So I'm taking a new sheet. After taking the new sheet, I have to go the data. Okay, then select the consolidate. After in this data consolidation, I want to find out what is the average production of the company in the two firms, in the two unit. So I have to select average, and the reference means which unit I want to take. So click on this and select the unit. So first of all, I'm taking the Rangpur unit data. Okay, and then it should be added, and then again I want to add also the Rajshahi unit data to consolidate. Okay, it should be also added. After added the various types of units, then I have to select the top row left line and create link to sources data. Then I'm click on OK. We can see that the result is showing in the new sheet. Here we can see that in Q1 the average production of two unit, that is 125. This is how we can make a data consolidate from various types of data units in a single destination. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.